Yo guys, what is up? What's going on? Hope you're all doing well. Tonight is a super exciting night. Figured I would do a little mini update vlog for you because I finally picked up the wheels. Might have saw them in the background of the video when I installed the exhaust on the bike, but these are the General Grabber ATXs. They're size 2, 65, 75R, and I really like how they look. They've got some really good reviews, and a few friends actually recommended them, so I'm pretty excited. They've also got sidewall lettering. This is blue right now. That's just a protective coating. It's gonna wash off, and then it'll look all white underneath. But I'm really excited. It's actually the evening time. It's like 9 o'clock right now. I'm gonna load them up in the Taco because I'm going tomorrow morning to the shop first thing, get them installed, and I'll show you guys the install tomorrow when I put them on. I'm gonna be down there filming, so that's gonna be pretty awesome. And yeah, figured I would just kind of update you guys as I'm here in the garage. It's got the wheels. So excited. If you guys are wondering, I know I had a lot of suggestions and comments. A lot of people said to check out the KO2s, the Yokohama Geolanders, as well as I think they're called the Wind Peaks. I'm not sure who they're by, but I picked these up for a really good price. They were around $800 Canadian, shipped to my door. They shipped it in one day as well. Once I get them installed and everything, I'll update you guys, let you know how they are, how they feel, what the road noise is like, and then, oh man, hopefully if things get better and they open up some of the parks, you can go out, go off-roading a bit, take the truck out. Imagine buying a brand new Tacoma with all these aspirations and excitement to go off-roading, and then COVID hits and truck's been parked in here in the garage for a month and a half, and I've hardly driven it, and I've only filled it up once. They weigh so much more than car tires. Oh, it's probably the most terrible way to pick those up, but hey. Oh my God, they're so nice. So excited. We are ready. Nicer to pack this stuff up this evening so that tomorrow morning I don't have to pick up as early to go down to the shop and get it all mounted and installed. Got some other really cool stuff that's coming soon. New package from ProLights. Pretty sure this is a complete LED kit for the exterior and interior lights. Really nice. They just put that out. And then I've got another package here from DHL that shipped for the bike because one of my really nice turn signals, there's like 200 bucks for the kit. One burnt out, which sucks. Good warranty though, good customer service, so they sent me out a new one. Pack up the gimbal and then put the camera in the truck, and that's it. Wrap it up here. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you tomorrow.